Hi guys, I'm Dominique and welcome back to the Fluffy Bubble. Today I'm just going to be showing you a quick and easy way to pipe really crisp dual colors when you are piping a thick body butter, featuring our Mango Banana Smoothie Billionaire Buttercream, which you can find on our website, thefluffybubble.com. Alright, so let's just get right into this. Not only is Mango Banana Smoothie two colors, but it is two different fragrances that we put together. The orange is the mango piece, and the yellow is going to be the sweet banana piece of Mango Banana Smoothie. It smells so good. I have these two smaller piping bags, a bigger piping bag, and my Wilton 2D piping tip that I'm using, and this is the jar I'm going to be filling up. Everything I'm using is going to be linked below. The first thing we want to do is get our small piping bags into our clean and sanitized cups, or you could be using beakers, and fit them around the edge. So fold the top of the piping bag over the edge of the cup. This just helps keep everything nice and clean as we fill up the bags with our body butter. Now that I have my piping bags securely in my cups, I can fill it up with my Billionaire Buttercream body butter. I'm starting with the mango. You can see as I'm filling these up how thick and rich and creamy our body butter is, hence the name Billionaire Buttercream. It is just super rich. It's truly a 4-in-1. It moisturizes, nourishes, hydrates, and it's super conditioning for your skin, and it is available on our website now, thefluffybubble.com. But I'm just going to finish filling up the mango, and then once I get this all in here, I'm going to move on to the other cup and fill that one up with our banana. Just doing the same thing for the second small piping bag. Opening up the banana, it just smells so good. Like, it just hits me in the face, that sweet banana fragrance. And look how thick our Billionaire Buttercream is. I mean, it's just so thick and creamy, full of vitamins. We also add vitamin E, and I'm gonna even like shake this so you can see it's not falling off. That's how thick and rich it is. And it's not even greasy. It goes on without any sort of greasy film being left on your skin. I'm telling you, I use it every single day, and if you give it a try, I think you will love it. Now that we have both of our small piping bags filled, it's time to fill up the big piping bag. I'm going to put my tip into the cleaned and sanitized piping bag, and everything is cleaned and sanitized, so don't forget that step if you try this. I twist the tip just to make sure nothing comes out the end while I put it over a clean beaker. This is kind of just a habit for me, but our Billionaire Buttercream is so thick, there's no chance of it coming out really without me pushing it out. But it's just a precaution. If you have something looser or more liquidy, you would definitely want to twist the tip to make sure nothing comes out when you don't want it to. I am going to smooth down these smaller piping bags that are filled, and I'm using a dough scraper, which is super cheap. Again, it'll be linked below in the description box, and I'll also have a PDF file on my website that you can download for free with everything that I'm using in this video if you want to get any of it to try this for yourself. But I'm just smoothing this all down so that it'll easily come out of the bag, and I want them to kind of come out at the same rate so that I'm getting a crisp dual fragrance and dual color throughout my entire jar. These are the colorants that I use to color our Billionaire Buttercream. I really love them. No affiliation, but I just like how they work. They're from Candle Science, and I will definitely have these linked below if you want to try them out. This part right here where I'm twisting the smaller piping bags, you do want to do this when you put them in to try and like get everything down in there, but untwist it before you actually start piping and then twist them all together. It actually works out better that way. I don't do that in this video, but learn from my mistakes because I learned that through doing this. You can twist them at this point just to hold everything together. cut the tip off right here, but then untwist it right here so that you can fold the big bag up like I'm doing here, and then twist all 3 of the bags kind of together in one twist. Like right here, I should have untwisted these, but I didn't, but I learned from that mistake. And right here, you should be twisting all 3 bags together to tighten it and squeeze it out. So yeah, just do that when you do this, because that's what I've done going forward. Here, I'm just pushing everything down to get both colors to come out at the same time. I have my jar, and now it's just time to fill it up. Super easy, super quick. The piping is not quick because, again, Billionaire Buttercream is super thick and super duper rich. So I have to take my time filling up the jars, as you can see here. But you can see the crisp colors, and especially because this is a dual scent, I want both of those fragrances to be coming out together and kind of stay separate but together. So it's not a muddled fragrance or color. It's nice and crisp and defined because I use the smaller piping bags inside of the bigger one. So yeah, super easy, super quick, and this is the result. I hope you'll give our mango banana smoothie Billionaire Buttercream a try. It's amazing. You can find it on our website, thefluffybubble.com. You can also find a PDF printout of everything that I used in this video on our website as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you'll consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!